Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. Just doing a quick video on my new to me Motorola cell phone. It's commonly known as the bag phone. Everything's inside this little leather bag. Almost looks like a small briefcase. As you can see, the bag's in excellent shape. Let's open it up and see what's inside. This is what it looks like inside the bag when it's open. You have your Motorola headset with an alphanumeric display. That's where it snaps into. Really has quite a bit of weight to it. Reminds you of an old house phone. And you have your regular send and call buttons, your store, clear, recall, power, and function buttons. Put it back in, snaps in. Underneath here is your transceiver, that's where your headset plugs into. And you have your antenna. It's bent, I would say, over the years from being put in the bag. And it has your 12 volt car charger. Now these here, you can get an optional battery pack that hooks up to it. This one didn't come with it. It comes with the original programming instructions and the original warranty paperwork. And as you can see, Motorola limited warranty for the United States. So this tells you how to get your warranty. Inside the little pouch is your Motorola owner's manual. Really nice to have the original manuals. It also has the original inspection sticker when the cell phone was made. Also in the pouch is your Motorola cellular accessory booklet. It just shows you the different accessories and whatnot you can get for the cell phone. So next I'm going to take the receiver out of the bag here. So I just took the receiver out of the bag. So think of this as just your headset, and think of this part as the main part of your cell phone. As you can see, it has a 12 volt cigarette lighter plug that connects into there. This is set up so you can actually plug in an optional battery rather than just being able to use this in a car or having a power source. You can have a standalone battery with it too. This here probably weighs, I would say, a good couple pounds. It's made of metal and it's quite heavy. And one popular thing with these, a lot of people know about the old brick phones and whatnot. The main benefit with the bag phones is these put out 3 watts of power compared to the older ones, which just means you get a better cell signal and there's less chance of your cell signal dropping. So I was pretty impressed when I picked this up to get all the paperwork and to get this in original condition. The only thing I did is gave it a little wipe down. It was just a little bit dusty on the inside and outside. As you can see, I doubt it was used very much. There's literally no scratches on it and there's no wear on it. The thing with cell phones back in the day, they weren't used extensively as our cell phones nowadays because a lot of times you had to pay for every minute that you used and it was quite expensive. And these again came out in the early 90s. So they were more of a luxury item back then compared to today where pretty much everybody in the world has a cell phone. Alright guys, we're in my truck. I just plugged in the phone to the 12 volt outlet and let's see if it fires up. So we got a beep. So it's saying no service, obviously. Now let's try a couple buttons here. So the phone is working. Let's try ending this. Obviously there's no dial tone. Let's try the power button. I just press the power button. It's quite loud. And I'll tell you one thing, it feels really good having a full-size receiver in your hand compared to a regular cell phone. So the nice thing about this phone, it actually works, and I bought it from the original owner who did state that it does work. However, again, it's been put in a drawer for probably 20 years. Anyways guys, just a short video on my due-to-me Motorola cell phone. Little tidbit of information. I bought a Motorola cell phone today and I'm actually recording this video on a Motorola Moto X Play that I've had for about 2.5 years. So it's kind of funny that I end up with one of the original Motorola bag phones as a little bit of a toy to add to my collection. Anyways guys, just wanted to show you my new toy. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. You may want to consider subscribing if you like this type of video. And if you do, make sure to hit the bell button so you get updated on new videos. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. You have yourself a great day now. Take care.